So we're out here on this stunning Devon coast. We're going to cook up a steak tonight. What better way to spend an evening on another episode of Campfire Cooking? Let's get into it. And just look at that view. This is a jet ski. Pulls away. So the old faithful Bushbox XL from Bushcraft Essentials. A couple of steaks on there. Some halloumi in a nice setting and some nice bread. Can't tell you how glorious the weather's been today. Rocking it old school with the tent pegs today. So we've got this whole little cove all to ourselves. It's time to have a nice beer. Get dinner on. Look at these absolute units. They're going to be pretty darn good. Would you just look at that steak? Beautiful! So we've got our halloumi, our steak, and our beautiful, lovely rolls. Bon appetit! Cheers. Right guys, that's the end of the video. We had some awesome steak, some awesome halloumi on a really beautiful sunny backdrop here in Devon. Really hope you enjoyed that one. Stay subscribed. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Give it a little like below. Comment down below as well what you want to see me cook up next on Campfire Cooking. And without further ado, I'll see you again on the next one. Now it's time to get in that drink. So I've had my swim, we're all packed away. Just look at that sunset. It is absolutely gorgeous here. Falling over again.